Cool, welcome back. I'm Mike. This is my t-shirt printers. Let's do this. Just been all morning, just doing layouts. Practically all morning doing layouts. It's about 2 o'clock now. Just gonna finish packing up some boxes to get some stock out the way. Well, get some boxes out the way because it's getting a little bit ridiculous with these amount of boxes. Look at all the boxes. Boxes, more boxes. My life's just boxes at the moment. Boxes. So just gotta get this embroidery out. Very cool. It's one of those awesome 3D embroideries again. So that's gotta go out. Let's get on with those hoodie prints. The hoodies are in one of those boxes over there, so I've gotta go try find them. Wish me luck. Then gotta clean the screens from the neck printing episode we just did, which I'll link up here. So let's do this. I managed to find out where this blooming red ink was. I managed to get red ink all over myself. I got it on my sleeves, I got it on my microphone. It's looking a bit red tinged now. I couldn't figure out where it was coming from. It was at the back of the machine on a tiny little pipe, and it's everywhere. Anyway, problem solved. Whew. The quick tip is that you should always adjust your off contact. And what your off contact is, it's the space between your screen and your fabric. And that should just be, oops, push the wrong button. Where was I? So you should always adjust your off contact, which is the space between your screen and the fabric you're printing. So the screen and the hoodie fabric. Because the hoodie's a little bit thicker, you just make that off contact a little bit further away, and you just end up with a better print. So my advice is to definitely just adjust your off contact a little bit. Just got to quickly strip down the screen, clean down, just change the ink from a white to a black, so I've got to get all the white ink off so we can print up some more hoodies. So that's all the hoodies done. Just got to make some screens because we've got an awesome halftone print that we've got to print up, and it's going to be a butt registered print, so this one's going to be good. Okay, so for the halftone print, I really want to print with 77s. I think that's 195s. The 77T, 195 US. I don't think I've got any, so I'm going to have to stretch some. Okay, cool. Well, you're gonna see me search some screens. Carry on. Okay, so I've got to let these screens stretch overnight, so before I can degrease and get them ready for the halftone butt registered print, which I'm going to explain in the next episode. So thanks for watching today, everybody. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm almost out of here.